a whole pile of people sent me embroideries of the koala, 126 embroideries we got, and it's there. Every single one of them is in this quilt. And then we will auction off this quilt, and all that money will be donated as well to Australians for Animals. So we have a plan. So Mom is pressing and I am trimming them out, and all I'm doing is trimming all the koalas so they just look nice within the fabrics. Pressing and cutting, and that'll take a long time just doing that. They're all fun. Oh, this is where she combined a couple threads too to get a different color.
That fine stitching.
I know. This guy's got little eyelashes.
So why don't we go lay them all out?
Let's do it. If we kind of count how high this ends up being, like how many high, we can subtract a ½ inch from all those, and then we can kind of get like almost the final size. So we just laid them out here. I think we'll end up doing one quilt, not quite queen size, like a large lap quilt, a large twin size quilt. I think it's gonna look awesome. It's so cute. Look at how cute they all are.
It's great.
Hi, we're getting started on making the quilt today. So we're just setting up. Mom's getting her machine. I think she'll be sewing and I will be on the floor. We're gonna improv piece this thing, so I'll just be cutting strips that will fill in the gaps, basically. The idea is that we are taking different size pieces and making them the same size so we can sew them together. So in this case, this guy was a little too short to sew to him, so we put a little piece of fabric there, and then he was tall enough to sew to them. And now the next thing is we've done this piece down here, and I want to sew this piece to this piece, but again, it's not long enough to sew to this piece. So I'm gonna find just a little piece of fabric that we can sew on here to extend it, and then we will sew these two pieces together, and it'll be a big chunk, and it'll have just these extra pieces in there, and I think that's just gonna add color and some just interest to the whole quilt. Then give that to Mom. And
Cool.
Mom is sewing one piece to another, really. So then she'll press it. That'll be the main part of the quilt here.
Good thing you got a mom.
Good big.
80% of the quilt.
Yeah, every single one of the parts of this is from people's koala embroideries. So we've cut them to a square, a rectangle, and all the little extra fabric around we have put into the quilt. So that's where all this extra little strips are from people's cutoffs here. Right there.
Oh, right here.
Yep. And
It's right here.
Yep. I am clipping these so they're a bit easier to sew. We're pressing the last seam I mean, it's not the full front. We need to do borders and stuff yet, but it's all the koalas. It's the center of the front of the quilt. We are finishing it up.
Whoa.
Yeah, huh? There you go.
Look at this.
It's so cute. There's just big. I think it turned out
That's
nice.
a good 8 hours we put in it.
Yeah, for sure. The donated fabric will be the backing and the border and binding. I'll be clipping, I will be on the floor again today, clipping all these together. Two bottom pieces.
This edge?
Yeah, I didn't like square it up.
I didn't see these guys.
I didn't square it up, but I figured it'll be close enough. I'm cleaning up the table and we're gonna start quilting. That's all the decorative stitching on top. That's gonna be the final thing that holds all of the 3 layers together. So it is one of the last main big things of making the quilt. This is that pressed back, and we put the batting in between it. So we got the batting and then the front, which was also pressed. and we're holding it together with pins. So this is called basting, which just means we're temporarily holding it together. That's what basting is. And we're doing it with pins. And as we quilt it, which is actually sewing these 3 layers together, we'll remove the pins. So that's just to temporarily hold all 3 layers together before we actually sew them together. Cute, cute boosh. Like, look at that. That all goes together.
Sure does.
Oh, they're cute little thin leaves. Okay, so Dad just looked up a bamboo leaf, so maybe I'll make them look more like that, because that's really pretty, so I can do that. I'm gonna trace around a koala, because we're gonna just echo around the koala. And then, you know, I could get a little squiggle in there. But then, like, all right, so now we're gonna make a bamboo leaf. So I'm gonna go there and back, and then I can go.
There you go. Yeah.
Yeah, I think that'll be cute. And then, yeah, and I like doing these. These are kind of like feathers, and I really like doing feathers. Oh, this is gonna be fun. So then we just come off in a swirl, and then we're probably near the next koala. So we'll trace around the koala.
Just drive up there.
Or I go this way.
Yeah.
I think I'm gonna go.
You
Oh wait,
can go
which should I
You can
go?
go diagonal. You can do whatever you want. Just, you're doing great.
Well, this is where I get. This is where I get. Okay. There's too many decisions in this. Yeah.
We bop and hippity hop, I'm as happy as I can be. Boom, boom, and hippity zoom, love is sweet, love is grand, works one. We bop and hippity hop, I'll never be a millionaire. Whoa, boom, boom, and hippity zoom, I'm in love, I don't care. We bop and hippity hop, I'm as happy as I can be.